I want to try something really tricky. Today, I want to try hands together. Now, I want you to take a look at our bug scale on the top of page 8. What do you think is the trickiest part of playing hands together? As you're looking in the music, do you notice anything about our bug scale? Are they doing the same finger numbers? No. What about, do they pop at the same time? When does the right hand pop? The right hand's going to pop in the first measure. Do you see where it says that? And then where does the left hand pop? Not till the second measure. We're going to go really slow and talk through this together. We're going to be playing the same letters at the same time. Make sure that we're ready to play in C position. Can you play your C in your left hand and your C in your right hand? We're going to go very slow. We're going to start with our C's on Do. We're going to baby step up to our D's, baby step up to our E's, and now just our right hand is going to pop with our thumb, but our left hand's going to baby step up to its 2. Ooh, how does that feel? Keep baby stepping up. You're playing 1s and 2s. I've run out of fingers. I'm going to need to pop with what finger? Do you see in the music? With my 3, make a new bubble. I'm playing 3s in both hands. Keep baby stepping up to our B. And now baby step up and end on C. Wow, that was hard. That was fun though. Should we come back down the scale? Let's start with our Do again on our C's. Let's do a baby step down to B's. Baby step down to A. Our left hand is going to need to pop. When I pop with my thumb, I'm going to play my 2. Ready? Pop and 2. Keep baby stepping down. I'm playing 2s and 1s. I've run out of fingers in my right hand, so I'm going to need to pop, and both of my hands are going to play 3s at the same time. And now I'm just going to finish it out. Baby step down to D's. Baby step down to C. Wow, that was hard. Do you want to pause it and try that again? I would rewind it, even do it with me again. Or if you want to try it by yourself, you can. But let's for sure pause and try it one more time. Want to play it with me one more time? Let's try it just one more time. We're going to float it. And let's try this. Ready? The trick is your 3s are the only fingers that are ever allowed to play together. If you ever feel like your 2s are playing together or your 1s are playing together, make sure you look down and fix what your fingers are doing. But let's try this together. We're going to start with our C's, baby step up to D, keep going to E, pop with our right hand. We're going to play our 1 and our 2 in the left hand, keep baby stepping up to G's, and now we're going to pop with our 3s in both hands, keep baby stepping up to B, and end on C, come back down to B. Baby step down to A. Our left hand needs to pop to our thumb, and we're going to play our 2 in the right hand, new bubble. Baby step down to F. We get to pop and play our 3s at the same time. Baby step down to D's, and baby step down and end on C's. Nice job. This week, only play the bug scale. Don't try to do hands together on the beetle or the butterfly. Just try hands together on the bug scale and just really pay attention to when it pops and what fingers you're using. I think you're going to have so much fun with that.